Hello everyone. Today we are going to read about another laboratory technique that is known as gene expression modifications. So the gene expression modification includes the transgenetic strategies that are done in the mice. So before starting this topic, we need to know about the knockout and knock-in. The knockout and knock-in. The knockout refers to the removing a gene, the taking the gene out, and knock in refers to the inserting a gene. So knockout means removing the gene and knock in means inserting the gene. So genetic expression modification includes the transgenetic strategies in mice, which involves the random insertion and targeted insertion. The random insertion of genome into mouse genome randomly is known as the random insertion, which leads to constitutive expression. Whereas targeted insertion or deletion of the gene throughout the homologous recombination with mouse gene, which leads to conditional expression. So let us move towards the Krylov system. The Krylov system can indecisively manipulate the genes. As the specific site, at the specific site and specific developmental points. So this study, the Krylov system can be used to study a gene whose deletion can cause the embryonic cell death, for example. So let us go towards the RNA interface. The RNA interference is a process whereby a small non-coding RNA molecules target the mRNA to inhibit the gene expression. So it includes microRNA and small interfering RNA. The microRNA, microRNA is the naturally produced by the cell as the hairpin structures. The loose nucleotide pairing allows the border targeting of related mRNAs, blocking translation and accelerating mRNA degradation. So the abnormal expression of the miRNA microRNA can lead to the certain malignancy. For example, if in the tumor suppression gene there is silencing by mRNA, then there can be the excessive formation of the tumor. In the small interfering RNA, the small interfering RNA is usually derived from the exogenous double stranded DNA source, for example any virus. Once this small interfering RNA is inside a cell, the small interfering RNA requires complete nucleotide pairing, leading to highly specific messenger RNA targeting, which results in mRNA cleavage prior to translation. So it can be produced by in vitro transcription for gene knockdown experiments. So this is the short lecture on gene expression modifications. Thank you.